What to do if DCF knocks on your door? One of the most scary things that can happen to people with children is to have DCF, what used to be called DSS, come to your home. They would be doing an investigation, which can be either an emergency or a non-emergency, and it's very important, if you can, to have an attorney or at least an advocate represent you at the time. DCF would generally be getting something that's called a 51A, which is an allegation of neglect or abuse. And a DCF worker is able to come out and do an investigation and come to the home, and if the department believes that it meets the legal standard, can actually file an affidavit with the court to ask for an emergency ex parte, which means removing the children without giving you the opportunity for an immediate hearing. And so it's important to be as prepared as you can for when DCF comes. Again, it would be a very good idea to have an attorney present with you. If not, at least have somebody that can advocate for you or keep a record of what's going on. There's not a cookie cutter approach. Some attorneys say that you should never let DCF in the door. Other attorneys say that you should cooperate and sign everything. It's important, though, to not sign something without knowing what you're signing. Again, if you can ask for the opportunity to review it with an attorney, any releases or any service plans, that would be an appropriate thing to do. If it's an allegation where the police are involved, you want to be even more cautious about making any statements to either the police or DCF. If DCF is being inappropriate, again, it would be good to have somebody record it. It is important, though, not to get into a confrontation with the department's worker. If the more polite that you can be, even if they're being inappropriate, is very important. It's important to have your home as clean as possible, as clutter-free as possible. If you can have positive things regarding the family or the children, whether you have scrapbooks, or you have photos that are up, or you have report cards for the kids or pediatrician records, things of that nature are very important to have. Again, each case is somewhat unique, and a phrase that I like is, it's similar to if you go to a barber and ask if you need a haircut, they're going to say yes. And if you go to an attorney and ask if you need an attorney, the attorney's going to say yes as well. But when DCF's involved, it's a very strong recommendation to at least speak to an attorney and talk about the different rights that you might have.